I have developed a full stack project on employee feedback management system. In this, first of all, I have created index.js. See this construct express, require express. I have created port env port 8000. See this in .env. I have created MongoDB Atlas running configuration connection feedback app localhost 27017 port 8000 password secret series feedback secret 123. Yeah, in this index I have connected all these env ports, database, cookie processor, etc. and session, passport, local strategy also. See this the passport says 0js in configuration. Yeah, in Mongo store I have connected the session and app router and view engine assets. I have connected assets C by using styling of home.css, signin.css, lm.css, series header, home and hover, background and admin, bottom hover, etc. For styling elements, assigning view CSS, homing, hover details, employee home.css, employee signin.css, a background color C black, border radius 10%, and background color series purple, employee view.css. See, all these are stylings of the CSS of assets configuration. Yeah, sign up page, CSS, and then configuration of the passport local strategy.css js dot sorry passport local strategy.js. In this, passport authentication can be done. Passport admin employee local strategy, username passport to callback true, email password done, console error if the admin password return done error. If admin.password not equal to password, return that incorrect username and password, return done null admin. In this, you have to check that the employee and the admin that the password authentication is in handle and the password can be checked and that the password is corrected, then it goes to the dashboard of employee ID and the username two roles. Sorry, employee and admin two roles here. In this configuration, I use controllers, admin controller. In this, created the admin. Yeah, see name request body.name employee request body.email password request body.password. I have to create an admin login by using name, email, password, and employee ID. This can be connected with the new admin. We have to create a new admin for sign-ins and redirect back to home. And if we have to create a new admins, you have to done new connections. If we want to delete one of the admin, then we have to delete or destroy the session of the admin or log out. And in admin page, you have profile. In that profile, we have to have the update of the name, email, password also we have to change. You have to change in this admin controller, same as what we have to do in admin, the same as we have to do in employee also. In that employee, we have constant of employee admin performance and feedback, creating new employee. In that we have to employee creating new. See once wait. Yeah, it employee dot create name request dot body dot name email and password. Check the password and new confirm the new password and deploy the submit, and then we go to the employee and they have to see the new employees and we have to create new creations of the employee. And if we want to update the employee, then we have to update the person name, email, and password. And if you want to delete, then you have to destroy the employee. See this and log out the employee. You have to update If you want to update, then update the profile of the employee, name, email, and password also. Same like this you have to do in the feedback form. In the feedback we have done in both employee and admin roles. In the both roles we have connected with the feedback controllers by creating the feedback by performance of the admin, connection with the employee, see that employee, yeah, feedback by the admin, and admin also can be feedback the control performance of the feedback performance. In that we have to update also our feedback and modify our feedback. If we want to delete, then we have to redirect to back deleting the feedback controller. Yeah, same performance. Employee can be doing, employee can be see that the performance of the admin, and see that the object admin can be done performance, let the void performance employee id eid response render of employee perform performance employee id employee. It can be checked and display the performance of the employee and admin by this performance controller.js redirected into the performance review also. Yeah, in models, the Mongoose database connection to the this Mongoose. See this schema: employee ID, name, employee, password. Same like is an employee.js, email, name, password, is admin participation. Same in feedback form and feedback.js and performance.js. That's it. Routes. This can be checked the password authentication and admin controller for all sign-ins of employee sign-in and admin sign-in. And if you want to delete employee, and if you want to delete, and if you want to get a new employee, this can be connection of this admin.js. Same like an employee also, we have to have create a new employee and create the new sign up of the employee local session. And if you want to delete the sign out, see this employee destroy the session. In this feedback.js, there's also an add in as feedback controller dot add delete. If you want to delete the feedback controller dot delete of the router controller's feedback of .js connection. See, feedback controller requires controllers feedback controller. Same performance.js in the routes, create view, update, and the performance controller dot create dot update. And if you want to assign view, perform controller assign dot view dot assign view employee ID assign passport check authentication, and then perform controller assign router that get assigned. Yeah, model can be exported by using this routers routes index.js. In this also, employee controller can be check the password requires and check the authentication and employee controller to home index.js home. Yeah, employee requirements, admin, performance, feedback, all connections in the home page. That's why it is an index.js. Yeah, I said that the performance.js. That's it. All these connections are to be connected to this series in this Mongoose connection session of passport secret, cookies, cookie parsers in NV. Passport set authentication can be done in this index.js. All these can be run